Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check laptop model name from your Windows laptop. So here is I'm using a Dell laptop and Windows 11 OS. So which is your Windows version? I don't know. In newer versions, Windows File Explorer is called this PC, and older versions it is My Computer. So right click on My Computer or this PC, then you will get this option properties, click on that, then you will get this page. You can see here this page. In this page you can easily identify which is your laptop model. Here you can see here this is your name. Currently it is Shamil, so my name is Shamil, so it is here Shamil. And after that you can see here the model Precisions 7740. That means it is the Dell Precision 7740 laptop, and you can find out the details here like storage, graphics card size, and installed RAM, memory, and your processor details. So in this way you can easily identify which is your laptop. My laptop is Dell Precision 7740. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.